Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I've got for you some baked turkey wings. Now I added a little tropical vibe to this, so you gotta stay tuned to find out exactly how I made this beautiful, delicious dish.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So here I have two turkey wings. I've got the two drumettes and two flats. Now I'm just gonna season these now. I will link everything that I use in the description box. Let me just take this opportunity to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for coming through. I really appreciate you guys. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continuous support. It has not gone unnoticed. Now once I added all my powder seasoning, I'm just gonna go ahead now and give this a good rub, getting into the cribbits and the corner, and like when you season up your meat, it's supposed to be looking like it's been seasoned. It's supposed to be looking like, every little cribbits, every little corner, it's there. Now guys, what I did, I made a few slashes in the meat, just to get in it extra. So then I'm gonna go ahead now and add all my ground seasonings, and I'm just gonna again give it a good mix. Now once I've done this, I'm gonna put it away. If you can store this overnight, brilliant. If not, I covered this and kept it in my fridge for 2 hours. Now guys, look at that seasoned meat. Now look at that. That's what you call well seasoned. Now let's make this sauce that I'm gonna use to smother these babies. So in a bowl, I've got some coconut milk, and I'm also gonna add some jerk seasoning. Now this is the hot one. I'm not really too keen on the hot one, because I really find it too hot. Plus I always use extra. So if you can get the mild, I think it's just so much more better without the heat. So I've just gone in with a little bit more of that dry rub, and I'm also gonna add some jerk barbecue sauce. I'm gonna crumble in a chicken bouillon cube, because your girl love off the chicken bouillon cube. Boy, I need to know how to make this thing, because trust me, it's the best thing like that, So I'm just gonna add a little bit of honey just to sweeten that a little bit, because this is a little tropical thing going on, so you can't forget the honey. No, and it adds a little bit of sweetness, just to kind of balance out. And sometimes guys, when you use something that's too spicy, if you add a little something that's sweet, it slightly counteracts the heat. Now once I'm ready to cook, as you can see, I've put all of this in my baking tray, and I'm just gonna pour the sauce over it. Yes, I added all the seasonings. I didn't take anything out, the onions, the scallion, the thyme, everything. Put it in the oven. Now cover this, and I put this in the oven. This is about an hour and a half into baking these wings, and as you can see, it's still a little bit tough. It's getting there, but it's just not quite there. So what I did, I just basted it, turned them over, and put them back in the oven for a further half an hour. Now this is 2 hours in the oven. Now I had my oven on gas mark number 7. As you can see, that spoon just went right through that wing, so that's ready. So what I did was I got rid of some of the sauce. Now don't worry, I'm not sure it away, because trust me, I'll find something to do with it. But if you want more sauce, what you want to do. I didn't want that much sauce on mine, but if you want yours really smothered, then you know, pour some off, but leave the amount that you require. Now I'm just gonna go ahead now and just add some normal barbecue sauce to this, and I'm just gonna brush these on there, you know, just to get a little bit of color, a little bit of glaze, you know, on top of these bad boys. Now at this point, I'm going to put them back in the oven, but I'm going to put them in now uncovered. Now, I let this in for about 6 minutes. Then I'm just going to add a little touch of goodness to this dish. Yeah, I'm going to flip them over because I want them to, you know, soak up this sauce, but I'm going to flip them back over. Now, yes, you know, we have to draft Uncle Ria, so I'm gonna go in with a couple of cupfuls of good old Uncle Ria. I'm just gonna slather that beauty just like this, just all over. Get that. Now, Uncle Ria is totally optional. By Uncle Ria, I mean Jamaican white rum. I put that back in the oven for about another 7 minutes or so, just to, you know, crisp up that skin, and you're good to go. We're ready to go. Now I'm serving this up with some fresh callaloo and some plantain. Now I wanted this to be, but you know, you can serve it up with a little mashed potato or a little rice, or you know, whatever you seem fit. And guys, you know, add a little decoration, because you know what, I have to make the thing look pretty for the gram. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming back. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you to my day ones. Now if you're still here with me, leave me a chili emoji. And you know, as I always say, to aim high, work hard, but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.